Okay, so our next key knowledge point is strategies to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of operations related to technological developments, including the use of automated production lines, computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing techniques, and website development. Okay, so we are going to discuss all of them in a bit more detail in our next slides. So let's start with the words first. So efficiency and effectiveness. Okay, so it is really important as a business owner to understand what these words actually mean to you. Okay, now effectiveness is the degree to which a business has achieved its state objectives. Okay, so in other words, I can say effectiveness means doing the right things for your business. Okay, so if the primary objective of your business was to make profit, and if your business is making the profit, that means your business strategies are effective. Okay, so you have been effective in achieving your business objectives. Okay, now the next word is efficiency. So efficiency is how well a business uses its resources to achieve business objectives. Okay, it is again meaning doing things right. So effectiveness is doing right things, and if efficiency means doing things in the right way, so which means that you're using your resources to the optimum, so optimum utilization of resources, and actually being able to use the resources to their maximum capacity. Okay, that is going to increase profit, improve your business operations, and minimize losses. Okay, now technology in operations. So this is how our technology is going to help in our business operations every day. So if I look at the definition, I'm just going to adjust this a little bit so we can see the full screen. So the definition of technology in operations is the purposeful application of information in the design, production, and utilization of goods and services, and in the organization of human activities. Okay, so that does mean like you need to design the technology in a way that it is increasing your business profit. Okay, in information design, production, and utilization of goods and services, in the organization of human activities. So you need to make sure that you're using your processes wisely and that are actually relevant to your business objectives. Okay, as business look for ways to improve their operations system, often they will turn to technology to help them. Okay, now when you're looking at your business, if you want to improve your operations, you will need to look at technology. You will need to have some technology for you to be able to do your produce faster. If you're manufacturing, the production will increase. Okay, so technology is really important. If you look at an example, maybe a car manufacturer, maybe Toyota, or maybe Toyota. If there was no technology, do you think they can produce the cars? They can't, because the manufacturing of cars required the automated process, and most businesses now use the automated process. Okay, so technology is really, really important. Now many big businesses use the technology to actually keep the records. Okay, for example, Telstra, Vodafone, they use the technology to keep the records of their customers. Now if they don't have this technology, what do you think, how they can keep the records? Okay, it is really important for businesses to be tech savvy these days, to be able to increase the efficiency of their workers. Okay, now technology can be used to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the operation, so it is really important as a business owner to use technology to be able to improve the production, efficiency, and effectiveness of your business. Okay, the advantages of the technology when you're in the operations management. Now the businesses need to improve their operations every now and then. Okay, now technology plays a really big part in that. the technology that is implemented into operation system can improve speed of production. Okay, now if the technology is working for you instead of a human being, your speed of production is going to increase. Okay, because if a person is working doing the same stuff for over 6 hours, the person is going to get tired and their productivity is going to decrease. Okay, but with a machine, with technology, your speed of production is going to be the same for a longer period of time. Okay, so it improves the speed of production, it improves the quality as well. Okay, if a person is maybe making the product for your business, every product is going to be different. Okay, but when you're doing it with use of machines, every product is going to be exactly the same. Okay, so once you input the software in the technology and the machines or the equipment, they are going to the output is going to be the same kind of product. So okay, so then they improve the quality as well, improve productivity, again speed of production and improving the productivity of the other people as well. Okay, it human people and technology works hand in hand. It definitely improves the productivity of any business. It reduces the wastage because it uses the resources to its optimum. Okay, without wasting any of the resources. Reduce ongoing costs, improve health and safety as well of the workers and anyone working in your business. Okay. Now, what are the disadvantages of increasing technology? Okay, the first disadvantage that I can think of is the job losses. Okay, if more and more technology is coming into any business, it is going to replace the employees. There are going to be lots of job losses. Okay, now when there is new technology, the people need to be upskilled. They need to be taught how to use the technology. Okay, that will include, you will need to spend time and money for your workers to be upskilled. Okay, that is another downside. Okay, now high initial costs and maintenance costs. Okay, when you actually decide to have a new technology using a new maybe machinery to produce your products, they are going to be high initial costs because you need to spend the money to actually buy that machinery. Okay, and then you have to have some engineer to maintain that machinery. Okay, so maintenance costs. Less tech savvy employees may fear the change. Okay, so if you have maybe older employees or employees who are not very good with technology, okay, they are going to resist the change. They don't want you to make the changes really often. Okay, so they want to do the work that they know, and they're hardly reluctant in actually learning the new things as well. Okay, these are some of the disadvantages of technology in operations. Now, automated production lines. This is a kind of technological development that most of the businesses are using these days. Now, automated production lines are where equipment and machines are arranged in a sequence and controlled by computer systems to perform tasks automatically. Okay, I've got some videos in the lesson plans today that you can watch on how the automated production lines work. So most of the products actually go through a conveyor belt from one system to the another. Okay, now they go in a sequence and they usually move along the line on a conveyor belt. Okay, the automated production system, it does not need the employees. They only oversee the operation. Okay, and most of the operation is being controlled by the automation process. Okay, and it is self-controlling and self-operating, so you don't really need any people to watch that production. Okay, so you can see there's advantages and disadvantages. So again, as we discussed earlier, accuracy, okay, removes human errors, efficiency, saves times and productivity, and improved safety. Okay, because there's no human involved in production, there's chances of less accidents working on the machinery. Okay. Now, disadvantages, again, high setup cost, so you need to invest money to buy the machinery. If the machinery breaks, slows or halts the production. So if there's any something goes wrong with your machine, the whole production is going to stop. Okay, because you don't have any employees to start working in there, your whole production is going to stop. So you have to be really mindful of these things. You just think of other plans that you can come up if your machinery breaks down or something. Okay, results in labor jobs lost. So again, if there's more and more machinery, there's less need of people. Now, computer aided design, which is also called CAD. Now this is a software. Okay, so computer aided design is a software that creates product possibilities from a series of parameters. Okay, so basically what you do is it generates a three-dimensional diagrams from a set of given input data. Okay, so when you look at this software, you need to give them what your input is going to be, and it is going to bring out different types of product. You can actually see the three-dimensional picture, front, back, every side of that product, and see how your product is going to look like once it is produced. Okay. How does it help? It helps the designer and also the business owner to visualize how the product will look once it is produced. And many businesses use this kind of software. To actually see before they actually hit the production. Okay. Now again, as I said, they're able to view the end product without building it. It enables product to be tested and costed before going into the production. Okay, so they test the product, they see what the costs are going to be, if it's viable for them or not, what they need to change or improve in order for it to suit the needs for your business to achieve the business objectives. Okay, again, think about business objectives. Your business objectives need to be at the heart of every process that you need to take into consideration. Okay. Now again, the advantages can result in higher accurate and quality products, decreases the cost of maintenance and production, can be linked to CAM and improved systems. Now CAM is computer aided manufacturing. Okay, I'm going to discuss that in next slide. Disadvantages: workers need to be upskilled. It involves time and money and high setup costs and maintenance. Okay. Now, computer aided manufacturing, CAM, it is a software used to allow the manufacturing process to be directed by computers by controlling the production process. Okay. Now, this is a software where no human being is required. All the processes are being controlled by the computers. Okay. The person doesn't have to do anything, and often used in tandem with CAD. So CAM and CAD are both used together with each other. Okay, they replicate each other, they work in conjunction with each other. Okay. Again, advantages: improves speed of production, improves quality, productivity, reduces waste, reduces ongoing costs. No human beings, so you don't have to pay any wages. Improve health and safety. Disadvantages: workers need to be upskilled. Again, it involves time and money. Technology can replace employees. Job losses: again, high initial costs and maintenance costs. Again, you need to buy the machinery, so you have to invest the money. Less tech-savvy employees may fear the change. I'm running a little bit quickly because my time is going to run out. So, website development, that it is a task associated with building, creating, and maintaining for hosting via internet. Okay. Now you see many websites. When you go and buy the products, you go to their website and see what sort of ranges of products are available. You can buy the products. You can actually also return the products online. Okay. For example, most of the businesses now use Facebook Marketplace. Okay. Website. It enables the business to communicate or provide information to customers. It is mostly helpful for service businesses. Okay. There's no need for a physical presence in the marketplace, because if your website is running, people are going to jump onto the website and purchase stuff. Okay. Now, advantages: improved marketing, can be used to help prepare and solve customer issues, can be more efficient in operations. Okay. Improved marketing. So if you're marketing your product on Facebook, you see ads and all, you're really tempted to buy the product. So improved marketing. Disadvantages: technology can replace employees. Again, job losses, high initial costs and maintenance costs, can lead to negative outcomes spread by customers. Okay, so again, when you need to build the website, it involves cost because you need to hire a person, and it can lead to negative outcomes spread by customers. So the reviews, if the customers are giving negative reviews about yourself, then it's going to be not helpful. Okay, now these are the questions you need to work on. Have fun doing these questions. Okay, bye for now.